This is Marco Vallone from Poste Italiane. I'm going to present the AUTHaaS compliant authentication access to the critical chain framework using the National Digital Identity SPID. Financial service providers are always searching ways to attract new customers by offering financial services that are easy to use and also secure at the same time. Customer onboarding process and know your customer processes often represent a barrier that prevents the acquisition of new customers. In fact, these processes require steps for the identification and profiling that are usually heavy from a user perspective. For example, go to a branch office for in-person identification or take videos while speaking and showing identity documents. After the identification steps, the new customers generally needs to provide several personal and financial related information that are required by current regulations to avoid frauds and assess the financial reliability of customers. All these steps require financial service providers to perform labor-intensive tasks by checking internal and external data sources. National digital identity systems were promoted by the eIDAS regulation in 2014 to improve cross-border cooperation and interoperability of e-business transactions. eID systems are designed to meet strict security requirements mandated by law and are periodically audited to verify if they continuously meet such requirements. Poste Italiane is the biggest Italian digital identity provider for SPID, the eIDAS compliant Italian public digital identity system. We brought into critical chains the know-how, technology and experience to integrate a secure and well-known digital identity such as SPID in the authentication as a service component. The SPID authentication within critical chains is demonstrated in a pilot scenario application, a blockchain-based pension fund service. The authentication experience starts with a landing page where the customer has the option to authenticate using his SPID identity. If the login is successful, the user is asked to explicitly approve an authorization request to share some of his personal attributes with the service provider. If the user accepts, the service provider can offer an improved user experience where long tasks such as compiling web forms with personal data are made easier by using pre-filled data fields.